At the end of the night, there's the end of a story. Ang panty kong purple. This is about less than $1, like 49 pesos, I believe. Yeah, price is very cheap. You can save a lot of money. It's very budget friendly. Big savings, you guys. Online shopping na. And this time, I think I got this in a discount. Around like 60 maybe pesos. Take a look, guys. See, look at that. No? Parang ito pa rin. Walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian pa rin. Maganda to siya. Parang siyang mask, no? Thong. Like a G-string type. And luxurious. It has like a, somewhat like a stone. No, it's like fake, guys. Very nice siya. So if you have a body, go for it. Don't really hide it. At the end of the night, there's the end of a story. Mapawaw ka talaga pag ikaw ay nagsusuot nito. Para kang si Ivana Alawi. Ano naman, Ivana? Mapanood mo to? Damn. Look at that, guys. Diba may pa-heart pa siya, oh. So, di ka ma-cupido, ani. Diba? Charo naman jud ni siya. Nung lubutan, di mo ma-emphasize. Bahalag sakit ang almoranas. Halag, go ahead and do your thing. O, diba? Saan ka pa dyan? Lubot pa lang na. Lubot na, no? Ana na ka. Wow. Super. Diba? Ivana Alawi. Damn. Okay, when you go in the front. Diba? See-through? Spaghetti ka talaga nito, no? Spaghetti pababa, nagpababa. Ma-purple kong panty. Ang purple kong panty. This is a really exciting item, guys. Lace, core see-through again. How the gang? 1,000 subscriber. Ano ba ang solusyon? Panty na ba? Panty ba ang solusyon sa 1,000 subscribers? Ano ba kayo? Diba? Nakaka-sexy siya, guys, oh. Hindi po nga siya na-wear, no? Sexy na. Look at that. Pam. Diba? Amazing. Mag-i-Ivana Alawi ka talaga dito, guys. This is it. Pansit. See-through. Kitang kung kaugmaon, ani. This is a thong. Look at that, no? It's like that. It's a string, no? You got to tie this at both ends, like that. Very sexy, guys. Para ka talagang si Ivana nito Alawi. Talbog mo si Ivana Alawi na daw. I'm a Tarzan girl, yeah. Oh my life, changing every day, every possible way. This will end our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also if you like, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.